Hello everyone. So today we're going to cover total production cost, marginal costs, average costs, and minimum total revenues. So in this question, Ojo Outerwear Corporation can manufacture mountain climbing shoes for $32.15 per pair in variable raw material costs and $23.10 per pair in variable labor expense. The shoes sell for $154 per pair. Last year, production was 110,000 pairs, and fixed costs were 1,255,000. So, in part A, what are the total production costs? So, the first thing we have to find is our total variable costs. So, our variable cost is equal to the raw material cost plus labor expense. So that's equal to 32.15 plus 23.10. So let's just plug that into our calculator. Plus 23.10. So our total variable cost is $55.25. So our total production cost is equal to our fixed cost plus the number of units produced or manufactured times the variable cost. So our fixed cost they gave us at 1.255 million. So 1,255 plus the units they gave us 110,000. 10, 1, 2, 3 times the variable cost, which we calculated here, which is 55.25. So let's just plug this into our calculator. So we have 110,000 times 55.25 plus 1.255 million. So our total production costs are 7,332,500. So moving on to the marginal cost per pair. So the marginal cost is just simply equal to our total variable cost, which was 32.15 plus 23.10, which we calculated before is 55.25. So the marginal cost per pair is $55.25. Moving on to the average cost per pair. So the average cost is just equal to the total production cost divided by the total units manufactured. So our total production cost we calculated in part A, which was 7,332,500. Divide that by the number of units, which you saw here that it's 110,000. So you just plug that into your calculator. Divided by 110. 7,332,500 divided by 0. So that's about equal to 66.66. So that is our average cost. Finally, we have our minimum total revenue. So our minimum total revenue is just simply the extra units multiplied by our variable costs. So the amount of extra units they gave us, right, in part D as 5,000 extra pairs. So our minimum total revenue from the order is 5,000 times our variable cost, which you calculated again up here in before part A, which was 55.25. So we just plug that into our calculator. We get 276,250.